Hello guys, what's up? My name is Shamsudjah Sayon. Welcome to the second video tutorial on HTML and CSS basic. And in this video tutorial series, we will learn about everything to become an professional in HTML and CSS. We left in previous video here by using Emit. I just press Shift 1 and Tab. This is the basic syntax, and in this video I will discuss all about them. So in first of all, I'm just going to write one by one. So I'm going to just delete all of them. In first, we just need to write shift and this arrow key and just shift 1, DOCTYPE. By writing this, the browser will recognize that it is HTML5 version. After this, we just need to everything start with HTML and end with HTML tag. So how can we write HTML tag? Just left arrow and HTML. And if I press right arrow like this HTML end tag the end tag will appear by default by this text editor. That's why we are using it. If you use like Notepad++, that will not give you need to write by yourself. So I'm not lazy, I'm going to write by myself for better understanding. Just pressing this left arrow and forward slash this HTML of course will give you. After that you need to write head tag ACAD. Just press enter. The ending tag will given you by this text editor. This is Visual Studio Code. You can download it for free. And in head tag we write meta, title, and like style. Everything is in head. We just need to first of all write TITLE, title and tab. If I write the title like hello and save it, you can save by using go to file and save. And let's see in the browser how it's look. You see on the top of your title you see the hello word. Two tag, always remember the head tag and the body tag. The main root of your HTML code is HTML beginning tag and ending tag. Inside the beginning tag that will be two tag always. One is head tag and body tag. The body tag will be little bit longer and head tag is not longer at all. So just write BODY body. We will design and write all of your code inside here, inside the body tag. For example, I want to write ACE1 hello world. If I reload this, you see the hello word is here. This is HTML ACE1, and that means header 1. Now let's make it ACE2. The size will be little bit smaller than ACE1. The ACE2 size is little bit smaller. There are 6 tags in header: ACE2, ACE1, ACE2, ACE3, ACE4 and ACE5. So let's try it. A is 3, A is 4, A is 5, and A is 6. So let's make it little bit practical. This is BIGGEST ACADER. This is the when you made a website, that will be heading of your page, and the detail will be in paragraph. Like how can we write a paragraph? Just write P and tab. Inside this P tag, we just need to whatever we write, that will be our main article, and this is the header of that article. So this is ARTICLE. This is header 2. This is ACADER THREE. This is ACADER 4. This is ACADER 5. This is SMALLEST ACADER 6. Now save it and reload the page. You see all of the header are first one is bigger, and then second one is smaller than first one. Third one is the you see this, and this is the article. Let's search for a article, ARTICLE article in Google, and just copy this biggest text and paste it inside this article tag. This is not article tag. For the kind information, article tag is different from the paragraph. This is paragraph tag. If we okay, now see how it's look. You see, this is the article. For example, you want from to specify this or to this or this this sentence. I am selecting this sentence. I want to this sentence to be in second line. So how we can make that? I want to make that in second line to specify. From there, I just need to write BR. That means break. If I write this from to specify, that will be in second line. You see, in to specify, this is in second line. Okay, that's all for this tutorial, and see you in next tutorial, and bye for now. Thank you for watching.